In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use Blackbox AI for coding. So you can start by going to useblackbox.io or just blackbox.ai. And once you're here, you will have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. And once you're logged in, you can start using the Blackbox right from your browser or install the extension in your favorite code editor like VS Code. And in the browser version, you will have to type a prompt or coding question into the search bar. For example, I want to ask them on how to center a DAV in CSS, and I just gotta type in my question and then enter that. And once you type your question, Blackbox will return code snippets instantly. If you're using the extension, you will see suggestions as you type or highlight existing code to get explanations or cleaner versions. It's especially helpful for learning syntax, generating functions, or debugging errors. The platform updates regularly, so interface elements or available actions may look slightly different depending on when you access it. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.